Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Restock Yeezy 500 Utility Black. So by the way, this one is already on eBay. So give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. Got the Yeezy 500 right here on the top. There's nothing on this side. Got the Yeezy 500 made by Adidas. I'm not sure why the box kind of has a crease line. So yeah, be sure to look at this color opening right here. Make sure it is rounded and you got those 4 cutout indentation right there and 2 at the vertical line going downward. And be sure the Adidas is right in the center of this cutout section. And since this one is not boost, so there's no boost. And then on the bottom, you got this Adidas logo right there. Oh, I didn't know there's some writing on the bottom here. Now I know. So I'm glad I got rid of my first pair. I just sell it in time. I believe I sold for like I think $500 or $600. I forgot. Before this one comes out, so. And you got the ID brand on this midsole right here instead of boost. And this is a rubber material right here. And you got the black suede around the toe box area. Also around the eye stay, around the lace system. And you got this mesh netting material right here. Also right there. There's your Adidas logo right there. So right here it's like a softer suede right here instead of rougher right here and here. There's a suede right here. And this pair it is made in China. And this one is size 9.5. My bad, I forgot to show you guys the label. Here's a size label right here. Yeezy 500 made by Adidas. And you got the smaller Adidas logo right there. And be sure to double check the UPC code right here. And then the barcode. Yeah, let me go ahead and then turn on the flash so I can look into it. Alright, so the light's on right now. So you got like a 3M reflector right here. And then also around the edges of this oval shape. Okay, and then right here too. And then on the tongue. And then on the insole, it has a Adidas logo, Yeezy, and then ultralight. Go and then remove this insole. So it is very colorful, and then there's an indentation on the color right here. You got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you got the Adidas logo right there. And right here it says ultralight. And then it has a bunch of numbers on there. And this is what it looks like on the inside. If you guys want to check out the threading. Give you guys a close-up look. Let's go and check out the other one. And inside there is a APE sticker right there, 82. T and then QC, quality control. And then here's the other side. You see the 3M reflective. And here's the tag. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.